So I receive a scope of works, very similar to this kind of thing here. Some very basic image. I stick it into the computer, the configurator, and so I've created stairs with a landing and a landing. That gives me the configuration I kind of overall need. This gives us a pretty good price that we're able to kind of quote on. It's the guide, and we'd never be here before. It's in and out, and we just try to be that we got extra parts, deal with the situation that's on site, and just install. It's pretty easy like that. Once we're on site, we've adapted, we've removed a post on this back up here and just put an architrave bracket in. This is the versatility of this product and why we love it so much. Is we are an hour away from the yard. We're able to have these materials in the truck, have some spares, and roll with the production that happens on site. Things can change on site, from fixings to ground to a door swing and all of those kind of little things. So if we're able to just continuously have extras, we can change on site. Scope and brief has been achieved. There's a slightly different look to it, but that's not really relevant if it's achieving scope, and it still looks pretty Mickey Mouse if you ask me. Yeah, love it. Everyone should have a crack at the configurator. It really does speed up your process, and then with a modular system on top of it, it's just backed up and running well.